So I've got this project in Torrance, and they had somebody build this ADO. Somebody else did the wiring in here. They couldn't figure out the panels, so we did the panels for them. So we get a call that an arc fault keeps tripping. So this arc fault here, this 15 amp, it's supposed to be for the bedroom lights. So that's tripping. So they had some switches open in the bathroom and in the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Here's the switches, right? Got all our neutrals. There's only one circuit coming into here. No other circuits. It's not sharing a neutral. Nothing's touching the ground. Mind you, they had these open already. They also had these open. Same situation. So come back. You got can lights in here. So they got a fan box. So we open up the fan box. Bada bing, bada boom, and the lack of a wire nut here. This box is not grounded as it should be. It doesn't have a ground screw, it's not looped. But this ground is touching the box. And it's also touching that stud. So we pull this off, right? Because that's touching that. We don't want that to touch it. So we need to clean this up. So now we walk back out to this breaker. Something so simple. Now the arc fault breaker works as it should. Right? There you go.